Hello everyone, this is Aditi Ujgare. I am going to present exempted advertisement, offence and penalties. So first we will see exempted advertisements. First point is any signboards or notices displayed by registered medical practitioner indicating that treatment undertaken for the disease and disorder advertisement relating to which are otherwise prohibited. Any books or treatises relating to disease or ailments which are otherwise advertised, provided, published from bona fide scientific or social standing. Any drug related advertisement sent confidentially in the prescribed manner to RMPs. However, such advertisement should bear the following words on top in a conspicuous manner: for the use only of RMP or a hospital or laboratory. Any advertisement relating to a drug printed or published by the government or by any person with the prior permission of the government. Advertisement labels are set of instructions which are permitted under the Drugs and Cosmetics Acts or rule made there under. Then conditions which are used for the advertisements, and the first in that we will see first classes of advertisement: leaflet or literature accompanying packing of drugs and advertisements of drugs in medical, pharmaceutical, scientific and technical journals. Then conditions: in it the advertisement contain only such information as it is required for the guidance of a registered medical practitioner in respect of matters relating to: first, therapeutic indication of the drug; second, administration and dosage of drug; third, side effects of the drug; and fourth, the precautions to be observed in the treatment with drug. The responsibility to prove that any claim made in the advertisement is not false, exaggerated or misleading shall lie on the advertiser. Then class of advertisement: in that price list or therapeutic index published by manufacturers, importers or distributors of drugs duly licensed under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and the rules thereunder. Medical literature distributed by medical or distributors of drugs duly licensed under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and the rules thereunder. Then conditions: condition 1 and 2 above. The distribution of such literature is confined only to the registered medical practitioner, hospital, dispensary, medical and research institutions, chemists and druggists, and pharmacies duly licensed under the provision of the Drug and Cosmetics rules. Then procedure for sending advertisement confidentially. All the documents containing advertisement relating to drug to be sent confidentially shall be sent by post to an RMP by name or to a wholesaler or by chemist. The address of such RMP or wholesaler or chemist at given address. Such document shall bear at the top printed in indelible link in a conspicuous manner the words for the use of registered medical practitioner or a hospital or a laboratory. Then scrutiny of misleading advertisement relating to drugs. In that any person authorized by state government in this behalf, if satisfied that a particular advertisement has been made in contravention of the provision of the Act, may require the manufacturer, packer, distributor or seller in question to furnish within the specified time information regarding composition of drug or its ingredient or any other information he deems necessary for scrutinizing the advertisement. Such a manufacturer, distributor, packer, seller shall be duty bound to comply with this order, provided that no publisher or advertising agency taking part in the publication of a prohibited advertisement shall be deemed guilty unless he has failed to comply with any direction made by authorized person in this behalf, calling upon him to furnish the name and address of manufacturer, packer, distributor or seller of advertising agency who or which caused the publication of such advertisement. Then, offences and penalties. Whoever contravenes any of the provision of this act or rules made this under shall be punishable with imprisonment up to 6 months or with fine or both on a first conviction, and imprisonment up to 1 year or fine or both on any subsequent conviction. If the person contravening of any of the provisions of this act is a company, every person who at the time of the offences was committed was in charge of and was responsible for the conduct of business as well as the company shall be deemed to be guilty and punished accordingly, unless it is proved that the offence was committed without his knowledge or that he has exercised due diligence to prevent the commission of that offence. It is proved that the offence by company was committed with the consent or connivance of, or it is attributed to any neglect on the part of any director, manager, secretary, etc. of the company, such person shall be deemed to be guilty of that offence and shall be punishable. Where a person has been convicted under this act shall be cognizable and cannot be tried by any court inferior to that of a presidency, magistrate or a magistrate of the first class. No suit, prosecution or another legal proceeding shall lie against any person for anything done in good faith or intended to be done under this act. So, we have finished exempted advertisements, offences and its penalties. Thank you so much.